Dear amazing fellows, I know today is your graduation day, and I'm so happy and I'm so excited that all of you are going to graduate. All of you were super amazing about your learning and your own growth. But I want to acknowledge the fact that yes, our fellowship was not that much easy. We had our online classes, we had super hectic screen time, we had long PWs, we had challenging mega project. But I believe that all of these challenges, all of these hurdle are definitely going to help you in one way and another way in your near future. I also want to tell you that never ever let anyone to stop you from learning. Be the lifelong learner and stay same. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I am very happy to record this video for you, and I'm also very excited to see you all on the graduation. I know this is not what we have imagined, and this is not how we really wanted to do it. But things happen, and life takes precedence on a lot of things. So I think this happened as well. I'm sure we all wanted to meet. I'm sure we all still want to meet, and we can find ways to do that very soon, inshallah. Just that I want to tell you one thing. I think मैंने ये पूरी fellowship में भी हर किसी को ये बात reiterate की है और मैं फिर से करना चाहती हूँ. And इसके लिए I have a very quote that's very favorite to me is that to be nobody but yourself in a world which is doing its best night and day to make you everybody else. It means to fight the hardest battle which any human being can fight and never stop fighting. और ये चीज़ मैं इसलिए कहती हूँ क्योंकि आप सबको एक पर्पस से भेजा गया है इस दुनिया में और वो पर्पस बहुत यूनिक है टू व्हाट यू डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. आपको टैलेंट भी दे के भेजा है. हम बहुत दफ़ा ऐसे करते हैं कि दूसरे लोगों को देख के उसकी तरह बनने की कोशिश करते हैं कि चलो वो कामयाब हो गया, मैं भी वैसे कामयाब हो जाऊंगा. जो बात हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमने किसी का सेकंड रेट वर्जन नहीं बनना है, हमने फर्स्ट क्लास वर्जन बनना है अपना. अगर मैं सना आरिफ हूँ तो मैं फर्स्ट क्वालिटी वर्जन हूँ सना आरिफ का, सेकंड क्लास वर्जन नहीं हूँ किसी और का. और मेरी सक्सेस डिफरेंट तरीके से होगी, ऐसे जैसे शायद मैंने कभी सोची भी ना हो. और यही चीज़ मैं आपको इस ग्रेजुएशन पे भी रिमाइंड करना चाहती हूँ और चाहती हूँ कि यू कीप ऑन होल्डिंग ऑन टू दिस लेसन एज वेल. During the fellowship, I haven't taught you, I don't know if I have taught you anything at all, but I haven't taught you everything, that's for sure. And I was not expecting to teach you everything as well. What I was expecting is, and I'm sure half of you at least, or most of you are a proficient in that, is problem solving. Life problems फेंकेगी आपकी तरफ, धक्के देगी जैसे I always keep on saying. लेकिन और प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसे होंगे जो शायद कभी हमें पहले देखे ना हो, सुने ना हो, फ़र्क हो, हमें पता ना हो उनका सोल्यूशन क्या है. बट जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है वो ये है कि हमें ये पता है कि हमने उसके सामने खड़े कैसे रहना है. हमें ये पता है कि हमारे पे मुश्किल आए तो हमने जाके ढूंढना कैसे है उसका सोल्यूशन. और हमें ये भी पता है कि अगर वक्त पड़े तो हमने लड़ना कैसे है. और यही मैं चीज़ चाहती हूँ. सक्सेस, फेलियर, ये सब रिलेटिव बातें हैं. किसी के लिए सक्सेस है, किसी के लिए फेलियर है. जो इम्पोर्टेंट है और जो ज़रूरी है वो इंसान का होना है. इंसान का अच्छा होना ज़रूरी है. वही अच्छी बात है, वही रह जाना है, वही ज़रूरी है. काम, जॉब, नौकरी, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, दिस ऑल विल कंटिन्यू. होगा, कभी नहीं होगा, लेकिन ये आपका सक्सेस नहीं है. आपके रिलेशनशिप्स विद योर फैमिली, विद अदर पीपल, एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू, किसी का पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट, ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो हमेशा रहेंगी. With this, I would like to congratulate you all on graduating. I won't say finishing because some of you have finished very earlier. मतलब काफ़ी ख़त्म पहले कर लिया. But I would like to congratulate you all on graduation, and I hope to see you all inshallah very soon. I would again say, और मैं ये बात पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ पर शायद कुछ लोग भूल जाते हो, I would like to stay in touch with all of you. कुछ लोगों के साथ मैं रहती भी हूँ WhatsApp के ऊपर. Please don't forget. Don't hesitate to throw me a text and talk to me. I'll be very happy to talk to you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum, dearest fellows. I hope all of you are doing well. I hope all of you are happy, smiling, and celebrating your success. My name is Saad Raja, and I am your cluster manager from your Amal Career Prep Fellowship journey. Some of you may remember me from your mock interview exercises or from my session observations. I'm here today to join the celebrations of your success and to also welcome you to the Amal family as an alumnus. Dear fellows, it was a pleasure watching you all grow and thrive in a moment when not everyone was doing well. While the rest of the world was stuck and figuring out how to move forward and deal with the pandemic, all of you special people made sure that you make the best use of this opportunity. You overcame a lot of challenges to facilitate your learning. You invested your time and effort in making sure that this was a learning opportunity for you. I'm really grateful for all the efforts that you have put in, and I assure you that this will reap results. I've always been a strong and a staunch believer in the power of doing our best, and all of you have done your best. So now it's time to celebrate our efforts. It's time to cherish the successes and the memories that we have made, and to promise each other that we are going to continue doing this. We are going to continue investing our time and efforts in being a lifelong learner, and that we are going to have that impact and make our lives purposeful. At Amal, we always want you to stay connected, and we always want to facilitate your journey towards success. So, welcome again to the Amal family. Please enjoy your day and stay connected.
उस कौम को शमशीर की नहीं रहती हाजत हो जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद. I welcome you all to batch 140, a batch of empathizing hearts and thoughtful souls. And the gold medalist goes to Huzaifa Tanveer. Congratulations, Huzaifa. A mega project which is now a fully working organization named Zulal Khizr, and now Mano Salva operates under it. Congratulations, everyone. And graduated with highest honors. Abdul Basit, Abdul Moiz, Afifa Basharat Ahmed, Alina Atif, Amina Bibi, Amna Ali, Durre Nishwa, Fatma Sami Chaudhary, Hafiza Aruba Riaz, Hamda Rafiq, Kashaf Fatma, Mateen Qayyum, Muhammad Jamal, Samiullah, Umar bin Shafiq, Zainul Abidin, Zunaira Munir, Shehroz Arshad. Graduated with honors. Aqsa Ahmad, Eman Mansha, Hadia Inam, Hafsa Zahir, Mehreen Kashif Rana, Muhammad Akram, मोहम्मद जहांगीर, मोहम्मद शुएब, मुजम्मल हनीफ, रमशा, रिमशा खान, सना अमानत, सैयद ज़ुहैब हमदानी, हमजा रफीक, मोहम्मद काशिफ रजा, सिंपल ग्रेजुएट्स, गुलशन कासिम, हाफिज हैदर अली मौज़म, हमजा कैफ, जन्नत शफीक, रहमा परवेज, सायरा जाहिद, शान अयूब, अदनान गौहर, इंजीनियर शहवार अली खान, अब्दुल रहमान। Congratulations, batch 140.